Hey, this is Steve with RV to Cycle. You ever find yourself loading or unloading your bikes in the dark, or at least dusk, or sun up? Not enough light. Well, we've done that for the last time. Last time we did it, I said, no more, I'm gonna fix that. If you're interested in what we did, it was this. And if you want to see how we did it, stay tuned. And the switch looks like this. Come through the wall and go straight into the 12-volt fuse box. Now these red wires you see, and right here, these red and white wires, that's what that is. So when we turn it on, we'll have a red light. Turn it off, there will be no light. Now it comes time to mark placement of a light using a fine point Sharpie. Now once that's done, make an indentation for where the screws are going to go. I'm going to mark placement of the screws. I'll keep the drill bit from going wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. This is more precise than this one, so I'm going to do this guy first and then I'll come back and get the other one. Wrong side. How do I know it's the wrong side? Because the light is angled. You may be able to see that it's at this angle so that it shines down onto the bicycles, which is where we're wanting it. And there we go. And then just put this in. Not going to screw it in all the way. But want to get it in far enough. If we can double check. There we go. I'll take the glasses down a little bit so I can see a little bit better. All right. Actually looks like that's up a little bit high. Yeah, it was. Okay. And then the hole's gonna go right there. And guess what? I can't do it that way. There we go. With this guy. Okay, next we're going to use a pattern that I made using the light itself. Made this primarily for the center hole. align these two holes on the end with screw holes, the planned screw holes. So there's one. And two. And now right square dab in the middle there. Mark this one. Two screw holes I drilled are 1/8 inch. This next hole, I'm going to start it with the 1/8 and then I'm going to get progressively larger. I want 5/16. All right, now that I have my 5/16 inch hole, I have a grommet specifically for this size, and put the grommet in here to avoid inadvertently having the wire cut once this thing is permanently mounted on here. And yes, I did say permanently. So I've got the grommet in the hole. Now I'm gonna use my little punch here just to make sure that it's set in there very well. Rotate it around inside the hole of the grommet to make sure that it is up flush against the edges of that hole. Now we're going to thread the wires through the hole, make sure that the light's oriented properly. There's one through, and there is the second one through. And I think I've gone through about as far as I can. I'm going to have to pull them through from the inside and then hook them up. So now what I have to do is I have to take out some of this insulation so that I can access the two wires that I pushed through from the light. And then using Wago blocks, we'll make a connection. You can see I've been able to get these two wires through. Now what we're going to do is we're going to kind of trim these up, make them look nice and neat, and then insert them into the Wago blocks, and we'll be ready to rock and roll. And this will be white to white and black and red will connect. So you can see we have the wires installed into the Wagos. Now comes the test. Switch on. No smoke, that's a good thing. Moment of truth. Oh baby, we got light. What we have left to do now, we put the screws into the light itself. Those two screw holes we drilled earlier. Then put the cover on. Once the cover's on, then we'll put some silicone around the top edge and about halfway down the left and the right side. Exactly the way the factory installed awning lights are done. Get the screws started well with the power drill, and then we're going to finish it off with the regular screwdriver. Well, with a hand-operated screwdriver. This is Phillips head, to make sure that we don't over tighten.
Why are you putting that? Oh, you're done?
I'm getting done.
Are you sure it's on there?
Oh yeah.
I just didn't hear any click or anything, so.
I did.
So what about where you got your fingers around those Oh, that, okay.
Now I'm gonna put the silicone around here. Well, that's it for today. Hope you got something out of this video. She turned off the light. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Every thumbs up equals a like, and the more likes a video has, the easier it is for other people to find it. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.